Hi everyone, it's time for my March Project Pan update. So I'm trying standing today. We'll see how that goes. It feels weird, but you can see more of the wall, which I have a video out about now. But let's talk about Project Pan. The first product that I decided to use is an LA Colors Day to Night palette called After Dark. Last month we had just broken a pan, so it was kind of cheating that we hit a pan. It was one that I had fixed before. This is it now. I think that pan got a little bigger, the broken one. You can also notice that, you see that weird like grid in the pan? That's going to come back later, so I wanted to make sure I pointed that out. Again, I think I used every single color in here. I don't think I used any for nail polish this month. No, I used something else. Sorry about my nails, they're always messed up. We have, of course this isn't going to show on camera, but there's quite a dip in this silver, in this white. And I've been trying really hard to use the black. So there's dips in it. I think the silver and white might be the next ones to be hit. So I'm going to hold it nice and close up so I can get a good shot of that. So this is January through February. It's really only 2 months of use. Have used it again. I used it today. I used these 3 colors over here. So it's kind of interesting. It's not the best, but I have been using it, so that's been going well. I did weigh this last couple times. The weight wasn't real reliable. So at the very first when I weighed it, it said 38 grams. I don't think I used up 2 grams of product, so I weighed it again, 40, and then 40, and then there might have been a 4th time. We're gonna do that. 38, I think that's less. Let's just test it again. 40, that's okay. The other ones I tested kind of close to the, okay. I'd like it to be 38. I'm hoping maybe it's kind of getting slightly below 40 and that's why it's like fluctuating, but we'll see. I'm not real reliant on the scale for progress, but it's fun for me, so I still do it. Okay, next one to join the project was this e.l.f. duo. Everything will be below, by the way. It's a highlight and a blush. Last month, or that might have been in January because I think I talked about it in the February update. This broke. I fixed the highlighter. Because of that, the weight went down. However, the weight is back up. So it started at 20 grams, went down to 16, and then back up to 20. I don't know. I've used it. The highlighter, I mean, other than being repressed, I don't see a major difference. The blush is definitely dipping on this side a little bit. Let me get a nice shot that's not washed out of this. The reason why I showed you that grid though, when this broke, and I have a video about how I repressed it and rescued it, you could see the pan underneath clearly because all the product was out. And there was a grid in that pan. So I'm assuming there's a grid on this side too. There's absolutely no way I can show this on camera, but I am starting to see a little bit of the like grid that's clearly underneath this powder for the blush. Definite progress about this. No idea what weight it is. It's somewhere between 16 grams and 20 grams, but there probably isn't much product in here. So again, might be a waste of time, but I like it. I don't want to give it up. And then the last one to join the party, I actually added last month because the e.l.f. one's kind of a peachy blush. I added this pinky blush from Basic Beauty that was a gift. Not PR, by the way, when I say gift. It was literally part of like a free haul where someone was just like, here, take this. It's called It's October 3rd, which is funny to me. It's a creamy pink blush. I'll have to look at the picture from last month and see if it's any wider. I'm done with rulers because that didn't seem reliable when I did the lipstick last year, so I'm not gonna like keep measuring it. I don't think. I might take that back. No change in the weight. It was 8 grams. Then it was 8 grams now, which makes sense. I think there's only about 2 grams in here based on like how much the top weighs. I like this. I've been, you know, experimenting with the cream blush versus powder blush. I think I still prefer the powder, but I'd like to use this up. It would be cute. And then I have 2 kinds of blushes. I'm already thinking to next year. Like what eyeshadow, what blush I want to use. This is really addictive, and I'm glad that I started it. Confident with these 3 products. My prediction, I'm definitely going to hit pan in the e.l.f. blush. I don't know about the highlight. I'm working on it. I'm definitely going to hit pan in a few more of these. Granted, this is March 1st. I don't know about all of them. I really don't. It's not a great formula, but that's kind of good in a way because I won't repurchase, so it's doing its job by trying to use up the palette. Obviously, I've already hit pan in this one. I think I could get a good bit of this cleared. Anyway, sorry there's not really any new pan to show you, but that's my March update. That's where we are. It doesn't sound like much progress. You can't really see the progress. Sorry about that, but it's going. I think it's going well. I imagine the first few months are the hardest to hit the pans anyway, so hopefully we'll start rolling along. I definitely am using it, and thanks for watching this video. You can subscribe and you'll see every time I come out with a new video. The project pans obviously are once a month. I also have a swatch video of this. There should be some links below to these products. We have an Artistic Tuesday every week. We have a surprise Sunday where sometimes it's makeup related or art related, or sometimes it's animal related, and our Fridays have our animal videos. Right now it's mostly falconry, but I have 6 animals, so we'll see. So hope you tune in for some other videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Last month, starting to start. What did I say? Prada. I don't know. Okay, next one to. Did I just dissociate completely out of here? And this side of the blush, if I didn't say so already, it seems lower than this side, which makes sense because I dab it like... That's so ridiculous. I don't have a brush out here. Am I slouching? That's a funny way. I already have like it's March 3rd and March 3rd, October 3rd. I don't know why that was funny to me. It doesn't sound,